Right now we're setting up the drone to get a little drone footage here. Day 2 here. We got some food at Piadina 305. Tartufata, panini, and Chris got the margarita. So I didn't do much vlogging today. Chris and I were working most of the time. We actually went to a bar, Tap 42, got some work done. Right now we're setting up the drone to get a little drone footage here. We were hoping the sunset will be a little bit better, but it's actually not too good. It actually starts to get red a little bit. So now the colors are starting to come out. There we go. Chris and I are at Spris. We came here 3 years ago. Free Ultra pizza at Spris. Got basically the same thing. We got the Diablo and the margarita. I got the Caesar salad this time. The pizza looks amazing. These bad boys. Gotta quickly vlog this because Diablo is dynamite. Got nice boy pepperoni.
Yeah.
And the margarita too is so good. Oh my god. Spris. Quick pizza review of Spris. I give it a 4.6. Chris, what would you give it?
I would give it a 4.7.
4.7?
Yeah.
The
just because
that Diablo is so good.
Yeah.
That's like way better than pepperoni. What was it, Sopressata or something?
Yeah, I think so.
That was so good. All right, we're going dark, but that was it. 4.6, 4.7. A little bit late. We're gonna get some liquor, do a couple shots, get pre-game, and head down.